Welcome to SK DataVate, a space where data meets motivation. Let's learn, level up, and lead together. Hey there, welcome to my first video on learning Python. In this video, I'll show you what is Google Colab, how Google Colab works step by step, and by the end, you will be able to write and run your first Python code all by yourself. Let's get started. First thing, we should know what is Google Colab. Google Colab is free to use, cloud-based Python notebook environment built by Google. No installation is required, anyone can use, beginners, students, professionals. And notebooks are stored in Google Drive. Okay. Now let's learn how to use Google Colab. In order to do that, I'm just typing Google Colab in my browser. I got first link, just click on it. Here in the right side top corner, you can able to see sign in option, right? Just click on it. Now it will ask your Gmail address. You have to enter your Gmail ID and password and click next. Now our Google Colab page got opened. Here you can see the recent files and Google Drive got connected with Google Colab. So I'm just clicking on new notebook. Is loading. Yeah, now this is the interface of Google Colab notebook. Here you can able to see the notebook title, which means file name. Okay, if you don't use any file name also, it will automatically save with whatever file name is available. For now I am using file name as Colab intro. Okay, fine. Now it will get auto save. Otherwise, if you want to save, you can go to this menu bar. Here file option is available, and here also you can save. Otherwise, you can press Ctrl S. And in the file option, you can able to see a lot of other options as well. You can able to open the existing file, and you can able to do open new notebook in Drive. Like that, you can do many activities. Fine. And we have other menus as well. Edit options. Here you can able to see a lot of select all cells. Like that, lot of options are available. I want you to explore this, all the options available here. And here this is the main thing, code cell and text cell. I will explain what is this. Code cell mean nothing but where we will write our codes. This is the code cell. Okay, and if you click code here, otherwise if you click Ctrl MB, one new code cell get created. Okay, now just click on code, new code cell got created, right? Text cell, what is text? Go to insert text cell, right? The same thing. Text cell means nothing but it will give us a text. You can note anything if you want. I want to note this information, like this you can do. Okay, this is about text cell. Now I'm just clicking here, Ctrl Shift. Yes, this cell got selected. That is how it will work. Okay, and runtime, tools and help, these are the other options. I will explain you one by one. And one more main and good thing in this Colab is we have Gemini integrated. Here you can able to see Gemini, right? Just click on it. You can able to execute the code using the Gemini. Okay, click on it. It will ask you what can I help you build. You just simply ask, please help me with my first Python code and enter. It is working. Just wait. it will generate a new code, print hello world. Here you can see one play icon, click on it. Once you click that play icon, your code will run. Otherwise you can press it, control enter. Okay, now printed hello world. This is how you can able to run. And here we have the table of contents option. Table of content options means nothing but you can able to add sections. Just click this plus icon, new section. Okay, double click on it, title 1, and you can add another section, double click on it, title 2. So title 1 is there, I can able to view the codes, whatever the codes are available inside the title 1. So for example, if I am adding some codes inside this title 1 cell, I can able to write a code. So I just click code, and here I can able to write a code cell like print. This is good, and running this. Inside the title 1 I had some code cell as well. Like this you can keep. But title 2 is different. What is there in the title 2 you can able to see like this. If I want to have subtitle, like inside the title 1 I need a title 2, title 1.1, which means how you can do that means nothing but you can just double click on title 2 and add one more hash here, name it as 1.1 and press shift enter. Now inside the title 1 we have title 1.1. like this we can add up to 6 title. Maximum 1 or 2 title is more than enough for us. Okay, this option is nothing but code snippets. Code snippet means predefined or already available template, you can say. You can use this for your coding purpose. This is secret. Here this is on secure environment where you can able to store your codes. Don't worry about this now. This is files where we can connect our Google Drive with a Colab and we can start work.
Thanks for watching. If you found value, like, share and subscribe for more videos.